wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change the ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on,
made another one.
A real nigga in the hood, but to granny, I'm still a boobie. Like my guy, mom to death, she still call me her Unanuna. Like how you even do it? How do you keep it moving? I just focus on myself, cause those problems is not amusing. I'm just focusing on my music now. I got 3 daughters and they beautiful. Turn the vision to wherever you involved. Stop coming with your problems, I ain't no counselor. I just wanna put $1 million where my couch was at. They said they ain't wanna hear me, then what's stopping them? Damn, like I'm really forcing niggas to play this shit. I be pouring out my heart, this shit is flavorous. I got 4 babies, ain't no way I could have favorites. They want my head on what I told them, join the waiting list. I don't phone with niggas, they be on some ain't shit. And I don't play the shit. I'm on the way now. Music in my soul, but I can't even put the K down. I've been all the way in Texas, still gon' put the play down. Now I'm living good and eating good, picked up some weight now. I'm on the road, thinking how bad it be if a nigga stayed at home. They only come for their benefits, so I don't pick up the phone. Now your baby innocent, cause the nigga bust his dome. Real nigga in the hood, but to granny, I'm still her boobie. And my god mom to death, she still call me her Unanuna. They're like, how you even do it? How do you keep it moving? I just focus on myself, cause them problems is not amusing. Speak to this mic and help the pain off my chest. And it's gonna be that way until they ain't put me to rest. Showing examples to my son. I know you 1 year old, but at that age you still can learn. Can't rush us, and if you gifted like your daddy, wait your turn. That way you don't get burned. In the car, talk to my daddy, and I learned the lesson. Told me I can worry about some shit, but just don't let it stress you. I ain't never worried about no bitch, this money gon' progress me. Told me keep my chin up, told me keep my hands strong. Told me it's gon' be alright, I'm calling through the jail phone. Wonder what I see tonight, I done live like dead wrong. Hoping that my son don't be like me, that shit gon' sit wrong. Know the pain I've been through, and they don't know the pain I'm facing. And I'm fighting cases, waking up, I'm tryna feed my kids on the daily. They just tryna take me, no, I'm not gonna let no nigga take me. Real nigga in the hood, but to granny, I'm still her boobie. And my guy, I'm on the desk, she still call me her Unanuna. Like how you even do it? How do you keep it moving? I just focus on myself, cause those problems, they not amusing. Take me through the night, cover me through. Cause I don't know what cooking. But take me through the night, cover me through. Cause I don't know what cooking.
The fuck this?
But take me through the rain, cover me through the storm. Protect my heart at night, cause I don't know what could go wrong. Protect me through the rain, cover me through the storm. Protect my heart at night, cause I don't know what could go wrong. I'm hearing shots fired, Steve died dead on the curb and say it's my time. I'ma shine, no I ain't worried. And if we pop out, we gon' slide and do them dirty. It's just fucked up, bro, they got murdered. It's like they don't understand how we living. They don't like the way that we gon' get it, cause we wrong. Everybody got something to say, leave them alone. We don't say nothing when they do the same to us. People show us the government, they come and take your money. But they'll lock you in a cell, you go to taking something. You bust your ass, but you be feeling like you ain't mean nothing. And you start selling nicks and dimes because I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change the ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.